What is hearty soup? Yum yum. Yes, beef, vegetables and barley. Let's have a look at this. And this has obviously carbohydrate, fat and protein in it. And from a protein point of view, because that's today's topic, is it has 17 grams of protein. There's 2 serves. And those 2 combined serves, if I have the whole soup, which of course I will, because I don't do things by halves, is I'll get 17 grams. Now the average person needs 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. I weigh about 80 kilos, so therefore this will give me around about 25% of my daily requirement to perform at the elite level which I like to perform at. However, proteins are found in all foods, or most foods, not all foods, but most foods. Things, obviously anything that comes from animal source, your meats and your dairy, but also you also get proteins in your vegetables, grains and cereals. Now from a food point of view, there are foods that what we call have a complete food and an incomplete food. And what that basically means is there's 20 amino acids that make up your protein for your muscles. Therefore, a complete food, which is anything from animal source, or anything that comes from animal, obviously flesh, such as beef and chicken and fish, anything that comes from animal, or including dairy, milk, cheese, is what we call a complete protein. So those foods have all the 20 amino acids, all the 20. Now they're made up of essential and non-essential amino acids, which we'll talk about later. So if you eat meat or any animal source type food, you're getting all the right amino acids. You're getting all the protein with all the 20 amino acids. However, if you eat anything from plant source, grains, cereals and vegetables, then each one of those foods is not complete. So we call that an incomplete protein. So animal sources are a complete protein, grains, cereals, vegetables, plant sources are an incomplete protein. However, if you eat a mixture, a variety of foods of grains, cereals and vegetables, then as a collective you get all the 20 amino acids that is required to build muscle tissue. So if you're a vegetarian or vegan and you don't like to eat meat for whatever reason, and that's fine, or any form of animal source, make sure you have a variety of foods to make sure you get all the amino acids that the body requires. If you do eat animal source foods such as meats and dairy and all that wonderful stuff, and you enjoy it, then yeah, you're going to get all the 20 amino acids that you are required for the body to perform at your elite level of health and performance. And that would be no cow poo.